Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop and I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You can see the sketch of our jacket, which we will cut. But before we cut, we will model the collar. And that is exactly what we will do today. There is a back, a side there, a right bottom band and left bottom band. There was only a collar left. You see the collar? The neckline is round. This is not the collar that we cut in one piece and then bend. This one is done differently. We need to build a sewn-in collar that mimics classic English. Before we start cutting, we need to measure the sprout. My turns out 9.5 centimeters. I removed the back. I don't want the collar to start from here, so a 2 or 3 centimeters collar goes beyond the center, creating a smell. We will approximately build a collar from this point. Here is the center of the front, and the collar will be slightly further. To do this, we need a shoulder. Draw a neckline. It is the neckline that we have. We don't need a pattern anymore. Now we connect these 2 points along the ruler. And now we draw this line from this side. Who does not believe your eyes? Put a few control points. 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2 and 8. I say this for those who do not trust themselves. I trust myself. Through these points, we draw lines relative to our straight line. You actually don't believe me if I will tell you how many questions were there after the last video. Why can't you build a collar here? I answered practically to everyone. You just need to try. I know for sure that nothing good will come of it. Here is the line with which we work and build our collar. We got the right direction. As the line goes, so draw. Set aside 9.5 centimeters from this point. This is the level of the shoulder. I don't draw this line under the ruler. Let it be like mine. From here, we draw a perpendicular. Right angle here. And this is the center of the back. If it is completely cut, then there may be a fold, and there may be a seam. I do not like white collars, so I will take 7.5 centimeters. I take a pencil and will draw a collar around to this point. Here you can't do very little. We go on narrowing like this. I want the color to be beautiful. All that I'm telling to you, I'm trying to tell in the simplest way, because it is so confused to make a collar with a pair of compasses and bunch of numbers. In this case, we often remain without a collar. And thanks to my methods, everything turns out perfectly.
Нам с вами нужны такие методы, чтобы у нас точно получалось. Теперь смотрите. Вот у меня
Here is the shoulder level. It hangs in the sprout. Set aside 5 or 6 centimeters down. As usual, everything as you like. The line needs to be drawn not perpendicular, but slightly, so that there is a slope. It turns out this line. I will take 5 centimeters. I think 6 is a lot. The lower collar is ready. Last but not least that you need is to fix the upper collar. So divide in half, and from here draw the top collar. In the lower collar, here, the control point. Between them, I have 2 centimeters. You can take as many as you need. I take a different color.
В нижнем воротнике, вот здесь вот, контрольная точка.
From this point, the collar will be sewn in, turned out, and this collar will be sewn into this hole. I hope everyone understood everything. Outline, circle the neckline, draw a straight line, and identical line. And if you wanted a shawl collar, then all this you would not need. Now I will cut so you understand. Any sewn-in collar of any shape is built into the same way.
Смотрите.
Look here, you could draw these corners more. This is also considered correct. If you want to increase this place, then add like this. This is also correct. You have a lot of options.
Вот это уровень плеча.
This is the level of the shoulder, and this point needs to be maintained, because this should be a thread mark on the collar that should coincide with the shoulder seam. This point should be coincide with this control point. Center of the back, fold, fold, low bar. It doesn't matter how you will cut. You have a share here. This is how you will cut. Here. Add on the seam and cut.
Не хочет лежать, никак не хочет. Что ж мне с ним делать? Нет, не хочет, лежи.
Today, I showed you the easiest method how to model jackets like this. It happens very often that in women's jackets collars need to create a round line. If you had a larger cutout, this line would be more concave. Therefore, on what neckline depends on what kind of collar you will have. Learning to model such sewn-in collars is really great. So, as usual, be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.
Всего хорошего. С вами была я, Паук 4.